What's up, everyone? FTWitachi here. You know what it is. Thank you all very much for tuning in to another unboxing video brought to you by FTWitachi Plays, brought to you by FTWitachi. We've got the Razer Naga mouse, the Razer Naga Trinity, and the reason why it's called the Trinity is because it comes with 3 different side panels. 2-button, 7-button, and 12-button. Has multiple other buttons on this mouse, so let's just go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. On the side, on both sides, it's got the Razer in black on green, as well as this side as well. On the front, Razer Naga Trinity MOBA MMO gaming mouse, powered by Chroma, showcasing the other 2 panels with the regular Naga 12 panel button on the side. As you guys know, for those of you tuning in, I used to have the Razer Naga Epic. It lasted me 5 years, and it's still working. The only problem with it really is the scroll wheel and the button panel has different colors, and I cannot get them in sync anymore. But I just wanted a new mouse anyways, and I just got the wired Naga Trinity. I'm very, very stoked and happy to get this one, and I cannot wait to give you guys a review video and show you guys it in action. So stay tuned for that. But in this video, we're just going to go ahead and see the contents inside this box. What else we got? On the back, of course, the Razer Naga itself with the 12-button showcase. It's got up to 19 programmable buttons, and that's the main reason why I got this, because of my nature of playing MMOs. And it also comes in handy, especially with other games like Overwatch, and you want to go ahead and attach and keybind like emotes and something stupid like that as the rest of the buttons instead of using your keyboard. I just straight out keybind on everything on my mouse. That's why I love the Razer Naga. We also got the 3 interchangeable side panels, which I was talking about, as well as 16K DPI 5G optical sensor. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and I believe we can open it up here. Let's just go ahead and open up this box and see what is inside. So let's go ahead. Oh, okay. So let's do this on the desk. Let's just go ahead and slowly remove that from there. Nothing else in the box. I'm going to go ahead and place that in the back. As always, we're going to go ahead and start with the booklets and everything that we can see here. Just like the last packaging, or for those of you that haven't tuned in or checked it out yet, we did an unboxing video for the Razer Chroma base station. We got the chrome black Razer stickers, so super stoked about that. More stickers for my collection. Let's just go ahead and move this to the side, wiggle it off so I don't mess anything up. I'm a collectible as well, so I like to collect things. We've also got the congratulations, there is no turning back congratulations letter from Razer. Most products from Razer do come with this, and I believe almost every single product comes with this. And of course, the Razer Naga Trinity Handbook for gamers, by gamers, and this basically goes ahead and shows you everything that you need to do for registration with your product, to the packaging contents, to the system requirements, to this does use Razer Synapse 3, how to use the buttons, what buttons are located, everything that you want to know, how to install, and everything that you need to know in different languages as well in this booklet. So let's go ahead and move that to the side over here, back here, and get this out of the way. This is the mouse itself, so we're just going to go ahead and remove this packaging on the top. And I believe we can just slide this down. No, we cannot. No, we cannot. We cannot just slide this down. We'll go ahead and pull the top off. And then we got the panels. So we've got a 2, 4, 6, 7 button panel right here. And I was correct. It was 7 buttons. You've got the 2-button panel right here. Ooh, nice grip. 2-button panel right here. And of course, the Razer Naga is known for its MMO capabilities. So of course, it comes with the 12-button panel. However, it is wired, so let me go ahead and make sure I get this wire out and get it out correctly. I don't want to go ahead and knot things up. Ooh, nice wiring as well. Threaded wiring right here. And of course, on the side, you've got the 12 buttons. Clicky right and left. Scroll wheel, very nice and intact. And of course, there's 2 buttons here right below the scroll wheel as well. So if you're wondering where you get all of these buttons, there's the side panel. There's the 2 buttons below the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel goes left and right. You've got the left and right regular click. You've got the scroll wheel itself. And you can, of course, as most gaming mouses nowadays, you can push down on the scroll wheel. So there's a lot of key binding to do with the Razer Naga. And I cannot wait to go ahead and put this to action. So stay tuned for that. Again, what comes in the case, 2 side panels, the booklets and stickers, and of course, the Razer Naga Trinity itself. And it is very, very nice. Oh, this is a little bit different than Razer Naga Epic. The grooves for the right and left buttons are actually a lot nicer than the Razer Naga Epic. So I'm very happy about that. Cannot wait to go ahead and use this in action. Stay tuned for some more videos brought to you by FTWitachi. Peace out and have a great day, guys.